Mm. What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you. I am gonna show you a cool ringtone app called Anime Ringtone, which has all sorts of beats, funny, like basically like funny sounds. There's like song ringtone, epic, which is I don't know what that is. Let's it has some music. This is AOT, which is Attack on Titan. The Death Note, as you know, Dino. No idea. I don't know this, but I know Parasite. It's one good song. And there's also memes, if you didn't know. Actually, there's just a few. Oh, there are a lot of memes. And there's SFX. I don't really like it. It looks like anime effects or SFX, same thing. I don't know what it means actually. That's smart. Critical point. That's more like, have you watched Prison School season 1? When they blow the whistle. No idea. Well, yeah, and there's also, but I suggest funny is very funny. For example, my favorite, this is the gayest one. Also, I'm not sponsoring this video, just showing you because I like it. This one's weird and annoying. The one that I like the most is, if I can find it for a second, this one's cool. Oh, no, this one. Next one. It's annoying. Very annoying music. I don't know how to stop it. Oh, here. Funny English moments. Japanese type. And so it's basically this. And then it goes with. Okay, that's my favorite. This is the one. I think so everybody knows this part. Well, yeah, I think so everybody knows. This is a funny included type, the Kohola. Oh, okay, now you've experienced it. This one, I think so you can use this on your boss.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. My lord.
And you'll know it's your boss, okay. I suggest this one's for not anyone because he's weird. He's weird. This is the perfect one. I forgot. Okay. If you're a fan of Dragon Ball Z, you can have Japanese Kamehameha, whatever it is. And you can also have English type, which is very good. Okay. This is the best one for me, in my case. It's funniness in English. Japanese version. Actually, English. Well, you experienced it, and then my favorite. Okay. Next one we're gonna go to is song. Oops. Nope. I pressed the wrong thing. Who cares about that? Okay. We're gonna look at the song ringtone. There are a lot of songs. I don't even like a single. I don't know if I like some. Oh, look, it's Overlord. The game. And this is the best. Well, I love One Punch Man. At least you can stop this one. Actually, you can listen to it, inside, comparing to the other ones. You can see, for example, Epic might have music, but let's put Attack on Titan because it's cool. Okay. And then when you go out, it just stops the music, and this one continues. I'm not sure if you're understanding me because I suck at English. There is Sword Art Online, if I'm correct. I used to watch it. But let's put One Punch Man because it's my favorite. There's like a lot of mine. I'll just show you my favorite ones. And so there's two, One Punch Man chorus and intro. And then there is what else? There's Death Note, which I like the start. Death Parade, don't know what that is. And this is one of my favorite anime music. One of them. So go. Okay. Next there's also one, which is my favorite also because I love Attack on Titan, which is still continuing still. And I don't think so. Oh yeah, I forgot about all my the phone calls. You know, like a phone call is here. Well, that one we still have it. If I can find it. Oh, there it is.
A phone call is here. A phone call is here. A phone call.
Well, this one's the best one.
A phone call is
Oh, there's also if you're a big fan of Naruto, there's Jutsu, which is the most annoyingest one. Look, you can also put it to repeat mode on. Well, put it Jutsu. It's super annoying. So yeah, there's a skill off. I don't even know when this happened, but okay, let me just end it quickly by Jutsu. Yeah, also if you're a big fan of Pokemon, or should I say big fan of Pikachu, there's Angry Pikachu. Well, I used to watch like 200 episodes of it. Crap. There's a lot of Pikachu talks. Oh, okay, that's our sound, and you can hear the cute Pikachu sound.
Pikachu.
What? And there's a weird one. Well, that's for like, and there's the gayest sound. I'm gonna show it again. Just kidding, I'm not gonna show it. This is the best one. Well, and there's Mara, whatever that is. Sorry, I did the sound. You might have wanted to hear it. And there's also Sword Art Online, but these are funny ones. That's why you don't expect that much from Naruto. There's like, yeah. And also they have also, I forgot, when I show you the Deja Vu, there's actually, this is all English songs, and they're actually, it's not memes, okay, it's just like famous songs. I don't know, but they're also good for a ringtone. And yeah, oh yeah, I don't know, there's like cute sounds which I don't really like. You can learn actually Japanese from that. I don't have internet right now, as you can see in my top corner here. And there's like all other stuff. I don't know what this is. I think so you need internet. Well, yeah, there's a lot of anime news, recent anime episodes. Oh, this anime is good actually. Anime YouTube channels, whatever that is. And yeah, that's all I have for you to show you. And I hope you download it. And please do give it a good rating. I'm not supporting it by any chance. I haven't gave it a rate, so don't even bother me. And okay, thank you for listening to me, and bye.